Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have studied ergonomics. Before that, we have studied cognition. Now we are going to learn packaging and factors. Packaging and factors, as everybody knows, packaging is very important in today's era. You know, a little boy picks up the chocolate whose package is very good in look, aesthetically as well as it looks nice. Then a small kid will pick his chocolate. Another thing is that a packaging plays important role while storing and handling of material. So packaging should be strong enough so that it should be preserved for a more time. Now we will learn packaging and factors. Packaging is the physical characteristics and mechanical structure. It is physical as well as mechanical structure. For instance, if an object is going to be placed in the storage, then it needs to be completely sustained to make sure that it does not get damaged. As I told you, if object is stored in a storage, then it should be sustained to make sure that it does not get damaged. The device also need to be protected from the environment to ensure long lifespan and preservation. The intensity of protection and support that the object requires depends on storage environment and object itself. So both have to be checked before reaching the device. The question to be consigned during assessing a storage environment are: if we want to store the material, then what points we have to consider? Let us see. What are the environment conditions in the storage area? How crowded is the storage area? How often and for what reason the object assessed? What are the furniture of storage availability? The main objective of packaging is that the packaging chosen should be to object size, material condition must also be considered. Since the object is going to stay in the packaging material, package material must be chosen important so that they will not cause the object to corrupt over time. Packaging of electronic product and selecting an asylum comprise many deliberations, and some of them are reliability, serviceability, regulation parameters which can be considered for packaging. Then environment is the biggest circumstance in selecting packaging. Here are some of the electronic device materials and the places where these electronic devices are used. Home and kitchen equipment, aircraft, spacecraft, medical instrument, farm machinery. If you are using your material in home and kitchen equipment, it should have different packing. If it is used in an aircraft, it should have different packing. If it is used in a spacecraft, it should have a different packing. If it is used in a medical instrument, it should have different packing. If it is used in a farm machinery, it should have different packing, and factory automation and so on. So at all places the packing should be different according to the requirement, according to the sustainability, and according to the time for which it should work. And temperature, humidity other parameter also affects the packing. All the above application mentioned have physical environment that include temperature, humidity, corrosion, shock and vibration. So here I will show you, these are the parameters which are important to consider under the packaging. Hence within the environment there are specific instruments, temperature and cooling, vibration and shocks, vacuum outgassing, radiation upsets and hardness, corrosion, pressure and altitude, radiation upsets and hardness, etc. These are useful for packaging. Medical industry and military have regulations and standards that are specific ranges of these factors. Minus 55 to 120, perhaps 125, these are the application areas, temperature application areas in which our product should work. In a Himalayan region you need a more sustainable product or packaging, and in the normal temperature there should be less sustainable or temperature product. So temperature also plays very important role in a product design, packaging and other parameters. This figure, this is what packaging is, packaging of the and factors.